The quiz from the previous video is still awaiting a solution, and the opportunity to win a prize is still open. Watch, learn, and stand a chance to win a real prize with some math fun. Math's for you for real. The topic is Bodmas. The rules of Bodmas. Bodmas says B for bracket. The bracket vanishes and is replaced by multiplication after simplifying its content. O for orders. Orders deals with exponents. D for division. M for multiplication. A for addition. S for subtraction. Examples. Simplify. First, we remove the bracket by simplifying its content. That is adding -1 and -2. The bracket turns to multiplication, thus multiplying -3 and -3 gives +9. The following requires that we simplify the content of the bracket, and then clear the exponent. Therefore, we have -3 times -3 raised to power 3. Therefore, multiplying out the -3 gives +81. The following work starts with the removal of brackets to the clearing of exponents and finally division. In this work, we need to remove brackets, clear exponents, divide, and add. Also, to simplify the following, we need to remove brackets, clear exponent, divide, add, and subtract. This looks a bit intricate, but let us work through it. First, we remove the inner brackets by simplifying its contents. Thus, -2 raised to the power of 6 is 64, and -2 raised to the power of 5 is 32. So, 64 plus 32 equals 96, and the brackets become multiplication. To remove the outer bracket, simplify its content, this can be done by following the Bodmas rule. Divide 96 by -4, multiply by 3, and add 2. Therefore, the result of the bracket is -70. Divide 70 by -70 and add 1, and the answer is 0.